Hi, friends! Welcome to Fun Kids World.
Let's learn about good habits today.
Oops. I'll just leave it. I'm late anyway.
Kian, that's a bad habit. You should clean up after yourself.
Okay, Mom, I'll clean it now.
Good job, Kian. That's a good habit.
Feels much better. I'll just read for a minute. That's a bad habit, Kian. You should focus first, then play later. All right, homework first.
That's a good habit, Kian. Finishing what you start.
Done. That felt great. This is so cool. I want it.
That's a bad habit. You must ask before taking things, Kian.
Sorry, Mom. May I have this one, please?
That's a good habit. Asking politely.
Hey, I'll wait for your answer. I'll clean later.
That's a bad habit. You should clean up right after playtime.
Okay, Mom. I'll clean up now.
That's a good habit, Kian. Well done.
All done.
Bad habit, leaving a mess. Good habit, cleaning it up. Bad habit, getting distracted. Good habit, staying focused. Bad habit, grabbing. Good habit, asking politely. Bad habit, leaving a mess. Good habit, tidying up. Remember, kids,
Keep choosing green.
see you next time on Fun Kids World.